Good day guys, and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. In this video I will show you how to clean cookies for a single site in Google Chrome. So just go ahead and open up your site. It can literally be any site because all of them use cookies most of the time. After that guys, you just need to use the functionality of Chrome to open up the cookie settings. So guys, right into the left from the actual URL string of a certain website, as you can see we have this little settings icon here. That is called, what's it called? View, or I don't see it, but my mouse is too big. So just site information, view site information. Click on it. Then guys, you're looking to go into cookies inside data. Then you're going to go into this pop-out right here, manage on-device site data. And there you go. In this pop-up contextual menu, you have all of the cookies that are connected into this website. So as you can see, we have Google cookies, Chrome Web Store, and other stuff. So the ones that you don't need, you click on the trash bin here and it gets removed. But keep in mind that if you have any services, any accounts are tied, and if you're logged in into any account in the service, you will have to actually relog. So log in again, because yeah, if you delete the cookies, you're automatically logged out of the website. So just understand that, and now you know how to delete them, and you can do this on any website. Enjoy guys, and don't forget to subscribe.